What is the difference between white rice and brown rice? 1. White rice. White rice is a refined grain that has had its bran and germ removed. This process gives it a polished appearance and a longer shelf life. However, it also removes many of the nutrients found in whole grains. 2. Brown rice. On the other hand, brown rice is a whole grain that retains its bran and germ, making it a more nutritious option. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as magnesium and B vitamins. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture add a delightful twist to your dishes. 3. Nutrient content. Brown rice boasts higher fiber content than white rice, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also contains essential nutrients like selenium, which supports your immune system. 4. Glycemic index. One key difference is the glycemic index. White rice has a higher glycemic index compared to brown rice, causing a quicker spike in blood sugar levels. Brown rice, with its lower glycemic index, provides a more sustained energy release. 5. Versatility and cooking. Both types have their place in the culinary world. White rice is often preferred for its softness and neutrality in flavor, making it a great base for various dishes. Brown rice offers a heartier texture and pairs well with savory and earthy flavors.